On this stupid channel, you've seen weird cars, engine swaps, and crazy themes, but we're all about balance in the universe. So today, we're going to talk about a bone stock 2005 Toyota Camry.
Now, if you're new to Lemons, you might think you need some crazy car or a wild theme to just get accepted. Not true. We love totally ordinary stuff too, and that includes cars and people.
I'm just an ordinary guy.
Yeah, we get a lot of entertainment out of seeing normal stuff that really shouldn't be on a racetrack on a racetrack. So when Team Big Rock Candy Mountain showed up a few years ago in this totally stock '05 Camry automatic, complete with Camry dent, it was welcomed with open arms.
Now, this team is based in New Orleans. The car was originally gifted to one of the drivers by his grandparents. Big surprise. Then he daily drove it to high school. Big surprise. And after that, he got a job delivering pizzas with it. Big surprise.
When the Camry was finally retired from pizza delivery duty, the focus turned to lemons. It became a family affair, with the former pizza guy teaming up with his dad and brother to form the Big Rock Candy Mountain team. And while the grandparents aren't on the official driver roster, they're thrilled that their old Camry is living a new life as a race car.
All right, performance mods. ES330 brakes, is that even a performance mod? I don't think so. 17-inch wheels, but only the front. Still has 15s and drum brakes in the back. That's kind of it. Now, so one of the guys on this team, he read on the internet that there is a hot TRD rear sway bar for these cars. Possibly that's vaporware, because they have not been able to find one. Bone stock underneath.
Under the hood, the 2005 Camry had an optional V6 shared with that same Lexus ES that was pretty powerful and would be a good choice for Lemons, if this car had one, which it doesn't.
Nope, it's a stock 2AZFE 4-cylinder.
No shit.
And of course an automatic. This powertrain was rated at 160 horsepower new. Team captain says, it's probably got less than that now. Bad news, dude, really? I looked it up. It's only rated at 158.
Pathetic.
You may be shocked to know that it has not set any lap records, but you know what? It's finished every single one of the 6 races it's entered so far, and it scored an Index of Effluency, our grand prize, at NOLA Motorsports Park in 2025. There, it finished 29th out of 80 entries, defeating V8s, BMWs V8s. It did great.
Yeah, and that's not an accident. This team correctly believes that the secret to endurance racing is not turning fast laps, but turning a lot of laps slowly. You wind up covering a lot more distance than everybody else, and that is success in an endurance race. However, they may not have internalized this because they now have a second car, a non-running Audi A4. Good luck with that.
Every second you don't subscribe or watch one of these videos, another Vega is sent to the crusher. Won't you help us save Classic?